Well, hello by YouTube. I know it's been a while since I made a video, and I can't happy try to make some what videos to make because it's really not been to make YouTube videos about until now. So far, I will show you this. Well, since most of my subscribers are into HVAC sections too, I thought I'll show you a new heat pump we just got. So this model is a Amana S heat pump. Now I'm not sure what size the top is. I'm gonna guess this is judging by the size. This is probably this is like a 5-tar. This is either the Amana Model S Series, or this is the Amana S, or this is the Amana S Series. I know this is bigger, but it's kind of hard to read, so I would just guess it. So we just got this yesterday that we placed trap or 80-year-old trap star system. That's the one we use for that's the one that does this. But since that was still a good ship, we're gonna keep that one for Walker. So I didn't know. Well, I knew we were gonna get a model, but I didn't know I had no idea we would get an inverter heat pump system, which I kind of surprised. I was surprised when I saw this yesterday, but I know these inverter systems have become more popular because I guess why people like it because we use less energy. And this one has a favorable speed, and it sounds like it's it looks like it's at the full irrigation mode. So what happens? So how this system works is when it first starts off, it will go at high speed, and then once it gets up to the temperature that we have the thermostat set, the fast speed will slow down and will go at a slower speed. Also, this has a dehumidifier node, which is good. So even that we don't have the irrigation, so even with the irrigations now, right, the fast speed was pretty slow, and will slow down and will just act as a dehumidifier. I thought since very well, since most of my subscribers are the HVAC guy, and since most of my subscribers are into HVAC too, I thought I'll show you this. Anyways guys, I'll talk to you later. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.